Hello everyone and welcome to another video about my herb gardening adventures. In the previous video I have prepared and sterilized a new batch of soil mix. You can see the result right here. My soil mix is composed of 1/3 of coco coir, 1/3 of perlite and 1/3 of organic soil. And it has been sterilized with boiling water to kill the eggs of the fungus gnats in the soil. Now let me show you how I make my seed starts for growing herbs from seeds indoors. I use these large black pots so I don't have to transplant too quickly. As you can see, the process is rather simple. Filling the pots with the soil mix. I always stuck together or press the soil in the middle of the pot. And then I fill it up almost completely. Let's fill up the other pots first too, and let's speed up things a little bit. Here you can see how much the pots are filled. Now the next step is sowing. I will start off with rosemary. I still have this open pack of seeds of last season. I am actually what is called overseeding a bit, but that is okay. I can always split and transplant the different plants in other pots later on. So don't just put one seed per pot. No, at least 5 per pot I would say. Mixing up the topsoil a little bit. And compressing the soil to make sure the seed is in contact with the soil and the water in the soil. And I do it all over again for the next herb. Now I am sowing parsley, a special herb request of my lovely wife. So 2 pots of parsley seeds. Tucking in the seeds. So 2 pots of parsley seeds. tucking in the seeds. And last but not least, the last 3 pots of pesto basil. And this is the result. Rosemary, parsley and pesto basil ready to go in the grow light station. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.